Hello students, today we'll be discussing our next agricultural practices, that is irrigation. The supply of water to agricultural fields at regular intervals of time is known as irrigation. As you all are aware that in photosynthesis process, plants require water and minerals from the roots. So irrigation is one of the most important agricultural practices. The sources of water for irrigation could be rainfall, wells, canals, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. So water can be taken from all these things, sources. Then the next thing is the methods. There are two types of methods: traditional and modern methods of irrigation. Traditional methods include Dhekli, chain pump, moat, and Rehet. These methods are cheap but not very efficient because these methods consume much time, and also the water consumption in these technique is very much, so there is wastage of water also. But in modern methods of irrigation, there are two methods: sprinkler method and drip method. Sprinkler system includes water sprinklers which are rotated in the fields, and water is evenly distributed on the land. So it is helpful in uneven land area and sandy regions also. Whereas in second type, that is drip system, the method is useful in regions where there is scarcity of water. So in this method, the water is sent drop by drop with the help of pipes to the roots of the plants. So there is no wastage of water also. So if we talk about that, the method which is useful in water scarcity areas, that is drip system. That is the best method for that particular type of regions.